Unboxing video of robotic arm. First open the box. Robotic arm. Power adapter, DC24V. Arm mounting plate, hexagonal wrench and screws. Network cable, 2M. G-clamp. Robotic arm installation. Prepare the supplied accessories. Fix the robot arm with G-clamp. Fix the robot arm on the fixing plate. After the robot arm is fixed, place it to 0 position. There are marker lines at the position of joint 1 and joint 6, just align them. Use XT60 interface to power the robot arm. XT30 is a reserved interface, do not use it for now. Use M2.5 screws to fix the power supply cable. Connect the upper computer with a network cable. Here it must be inserted in the left side of the robot arm mesh. The right network port is used to change the IP and cannot be used for control. Before the robotic arm is powered up. Had to make sure the control program was closed. And the robotic arm is in 0 position. After successful power up, when the self-test passes, the robotic arm will have a constant green light and a flashing blue light. Thanks for watching.